the key is press is any of math symbols plus minus add subtract or multiply or divide. And then do that. Okay, what we want to do, when a user presses plus, whatever is on screen, we will save that to a memory location. So for this we need a variable, and we will clear the screen for entering a second number. And also we will note what choice user selected on operation, whether it was plus, minus, subtract, etc. We will also note that. So we need two variables. First we need a math operation. We have to define this math operation here in our private is a character. So here math operation is here. So we will add this plus minus and add subtract, multiply and division key here. Then we also need to store that number, and for this we will define number 1 as, let's say it is as double. But then we also need number 2, second number 2, and we also need answer. So let us define them all here, number 1, number 2 and answer double. So save the math operation, load down the math operation, and then we have to note down the first number, and then we have to clear the screen. Okay, on noting down to number 1, we have number 1. Whatever is on screen, we will convert it to float. And then we will clear screen, and for clearing screen we know that its text should be zero. So these are the 3 operations that we will do with this. Let us see in action. It's a warning that number 2, actually a hint, number 2 and answer is not declared but never used, but we will use it later on. 89 plus, you see plus sign is here, we also have to remove or discard this key. So last thing we want to do is also discard this key. see how it goes. You see, plus. So last thing we need to implement is the enter key, and with enter key we will show the result. So let us move on.